Welcome. Are you tired of seeing posts on Facebook that just don't interest you? Maybe it's a topic you don't care about or content you'd rather not see in your feed. Whatever the reason, Facebook now makes it easier than ever to customize what shows up on your timeline thanks to a recent update. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to mark a post as not interested on Facebook when you're using your PC. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a moment to scroll through your newsfeed until you find a post that you'd rather not see. Now here's where the magic happens. Look at the top right corner of the post you want to remove. You'll see 3 small dots lined up vertically. Go ahead and click on those dots. This will open a menu with several options tailored to help you control your Facebook experience. From the list that appears, look for the option that says, "Not interested." Click on it. That's it. Facebook will immediately register your feedback and start showing you fewer posts like that in the future. This small action goes a long way in teaching Facebook's algorithm what you want to see more or less of. If you ever change your mind, you can always adjust your preferences later in your settings. But for now, enjoy a cleaner, more personalized feed that matches your interests. Remember, taking a few seconds to mark posts as not interested helps Facebook learn your likes and dislikes, making your time on the platform more enjoyable. Try it out next time you spot something that doesn't appeal to you. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips on making the most of your favorite apps and websites. See you next time.